Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to change preferences in Bumble. Now, let's begin. Do note that I've already installed Bumble on my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you haven't, do log into your account right now. Well, here's Bumble. Right now, I simply want to change my age preferences. Let's begin. At the top right, there's a button like this. Simply click on it, and then something like this will open up. Well, there are options like who you want to date, and right below it, there's something like age. From here, you can drag this slider to change your age preferences. I'm simply going to change it right here. And there you go. Just below it, there's a button like this that says See People 2 years either side. If you run out, you can toggle it on or off. It's completely up to you. And once you've done it, simply click on Update. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change preferences in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. This support fuels us. Thank you.